This Valentine's Day, celebrate with your loved ones by making this delicious chocolava cake recipe. This chocolava cake recipe is an eggless recipe which is made without oven. Watch the video till the end to know more beginner tips to help make a perfect lava cake. So in a bowl, add about half a cup of milk. To this, add a teaspoon of vinegar. You can use lemon juice instead. Let the mixture curdle and sit for about 5 minutes. Now take half cup of curd. To this, add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix this well and set aside so that the baking soda can react with the curd mixture to make this cake soft and fluffy. In a large bowl, take about 1/4 cup butter plus 1/4 cup oil. I'm using melted butter. To this, add about 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Ensure you sift in the powdered sugar to remove any lumps. Now, using a whisk or an electric beater, mix both the ingredients until they are well combined and become soft and fluffy and almost doubles in size. Ensure to scrape the bowl in between while you're whisking the butter and sugar. Now, place a sieve. Add about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Half cup milk powder. Do not try to skip this as this will give a rich flavor and texture to the cake. To this, add about 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. If you're using salted butter, skip this. Now sift all the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Add the curd and soda mixture that we had initially prepared. To this, I am adding red food color just to make this Valentine special. You can entirely skip this if you do not want to add food color. Now, using a whisk, gently combine the wet and dry ingredients. Add the prepared buttermilk mixture. Whisk this well. At this stage, be cautious not to knock off the air that we have created using a whisk. I am adding additional food color just to get the pop of bright red. Switch to a spatula and ensure to combine only until you do not see any large flour pockets. Grease the cake tin with some oil and dust it with some cocoa powder. If you're using red food color, dust it with maida as cocoa powder will give a black tint on the cake. Now add about 2 spoons of the cake batter into the cake tin. Now lightly add bigger chunks of chocolate into the cake batter. Pour additional batter on top. A quick tip to note here is to melt your chocolate initially and let it cool completely and then add this to a batter to get a flowing molten lava if you're baking this without an oven. I have already preheated my cooker with some salt and placed a stand on top for about 10 minutes in medium-low flame. A detailed video on how to use the cooker is in the cards above or in the description box below. Cover this without a gasket and whistle and bake them in medium-low flame for about 20 to 25 minutes. This time might vary if you're using a smaller mold or cake tin. Our delicious eggless chocolava cake without oven is ready to be served. Sprinkle some powdered sugar. Ensure you heat the cake before it's served so that the lava flows from the cake. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did so, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.